Hello student, today we are discuss about the remaining part of the topic pair of straight line. Exercise 4.1 question number second. Question is find the separate equation of the line represented by following equations. Okay. Example first is 3y square plus 7xy equal to 0. First question is find combined equation create करायचं होतं आणि इथं find the separate equation of the lines represented by following equation. या equations वरून आपल्याला separate equation create करायचं आहे. Here 3y square plus 7xy equal to 0. Which term is common in this equation? 3y square plus 7xy equal to 0. Y is common outside the bracket. 3y plus 7x equal to 0. Therefore, y equal to 0 and 3y plus 7x equal to 0. These are the two separate equations. Okay. Therefore, separate equation is y equal to 0 and second 3y plus 7x equal to 0. This question asked in 1 or 2 marks. Okay. Second example 5x square minus 9y square equal to 0. Okay, see here 5x square minus 9y square. 9 is perfect square. Which number? 3 square is 9 and here 5 into x square. Okay, so next step write here the root 5 x root 5 dot x bracket square minus 3y bracket square equal to 0. Okay, next step is root 5 dot x bracket square minus 3y square equal to 0. This form convert into formula a square minus b square equals to a minus b dot a plus b. This form we use this equation. Next step is root 5 dot x minus 3y first term and second minus second term plus root 5x plus 3y equals to 0. These are the two separate equations of these equations. These are the final answer. So the next example is next example is 3x square minus 10xy minus 10xy minus y square equal to 0. 3x square minus 10xy minus 8y square 8y square equal to 0. This equation, so 3x square minus 10xy minus 8y square, these are the homogeneous equation. 3x square degree 3x square degree 2, here degree 2 and 8y square here degree 2. Okay, these examples solve similar as the quadratic equation. So the 3 multiplied by minus 8, which term of minus 8 into 3? Minus 24. Minus 24 factor is 8 into 3, 12 into 2, 6 into 4, 24 into 1. So this which factor use this equation addition is minus 8. 3 into minus 8. Multiplication is minus 24. Addition is minus 10. So which term we use? This factor is used 12 and 2. Minus this sign minus and plus multiplication and addition is minus 10. Okay, use this factor. Okay, in this example, so right here 3x square minus 12xy plus 2xy minus 8y square equal to 0. Common term 3x square minus 12xy, common is 3x in bracket x minus 4y plus bracket common is 2y in bracket x minus 4y and equal to 0. The next term is 3x and plus 2y. One bracket 3x plus 2y and next bracket common x minus 4y. X minus 4y equals to 0. Therefore, the separate equation is 3x plus 2y equal to 0 and next x minus 4y equal to 0. These questions asked in board exam 2 marks. Okay, multiple choice question or explain किंवा find the value of याप्रमाणे क्वेश्चन्स आपल्याला विचारले होते. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज 3x square minus 2 root 3xy minus 3y square equal to 0. Okay, remaining example, solve this type of the example. So 3 multiplied by minus 3 here minus 9. Okay, minus 9 factor is, so factors addition is किती आला पाहिजे आहे minus 2 root 3. Okay, so the which factor is minus 9 चे factor 9 into 1 3 into 3, these two factors, but the answer is addition is minus 2 root 3 and final answer is minus 9. So which factor is here? Minus 3 root 3 into root 3. 3 root 3 into root 3. In this step, addition is minus 2 root 3 and multiplication is minus 9. So these two terms multiply. So the final answer is, so this step minus 9, 3 dot root 3 into root 3. 3 into 3 equals to 9 and this term is negative minus 3 root 3 and second factor is root 3. So calculation is minus 9. So the multiplication is minus 9 and addition is minus 2 root 3. So this factor used in this equation. So the next step is 3x square minus 3 root 3 xy plus root 3 xy minus 3y square equals to 0. Common. Okay. The next step common is here 3x in bracket x minus root 3y plus root 3xy minus 3 dot y square. So the formula is root a into root a equals to value a. So this formula used in the next step. Which term? 3. Okay. Root 3 xy minus root 3 into root 3 y square equals to 0. So the next common is root 3 y. The next term is x minus root 3 y equal to 0. This term is same as next step is 3x plus x minus root 3 y. Okay, common bracket is next step is 3x plus root 3y and second bracket x minus root 3y equal to 0. Therefore the separate equation is which term? 3x plus root 3y equal to 0 and next equation x minus root 3y equal to 0. These are the two equations. These questions important asked in exams. Okay. And the next example is x square plus 2xy tan alpha minus y square equal to 0. This example solve similar type of the first question and it is find the separate equation. This combined equation convert कशामध्ये करायचं आपल्याला separate equation find out करायचं आहे. x square plus 2xy tan alpha minus y square equal to 0. So this equation write down as it is x square plus 2xy tan alpha minus y square equal to 0. That is rearranged term minus y square term first catching this whole equation convert this side. So that is y square plus y square minus 2xy tan alpha minus x square equal to 0. Okay. Above examples and this example totally different. So that is included tan alpha and above one more examples this term included cosec alpha. Okay. So in this equation dividing x square on both sides. Divide x square on both sides. Next step is y upon x bracket square minus 2 x here cancel into y upon x tan alpha minus x square upon x square that is 1 equal to 0. Okay, these are the quadratic equation. Okay, so the quadratic equation formula form is a square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and root of this equation is x equals to minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. These are the quadratic equation formula roots of the equation. X equal to minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this formula used in this equation Okay, x means this total term means x. So therefore next step is y upon x. y upon x y upon x equal to minus b this term only x minus b means 2 minus 2 tan alpha minus b square. Here a equals to value 1, b equals to value 2 tan alpha and c equals to value minus 1. Okay, so give a b c value, put the equation and write the form minus 2 tan alpha minus square root b square means which value b equals to minus 2 tan alpha b square 4 tan square alpha minus 4 into a into c, h value 1 into c value minus 1 upon 2a 2 into h value a equals to value 1. The calculation is next step minus 2 tan alpha minus here sign is plus or minus. Okay, plus or minus square root 4 tan square alpha minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 means 4 tan square alpha plus 4 and whole divided by 2. The next step is so the 4 tan square alpha plus 4. The common is 4 and 4 square root. Outside the square root only 2. So the next step is minus 2 tan alpha plus or minus outside the square root 2 square root into tan square alpha tan square alpha plus 1 upon 2. The next step is minus 2 tan alpha plus or minus 2 into root tan square alpha plus 1 divided by 2. The next step is tan square alpha plus 1 means sec square alpha and 2 separate numerator 2 separate the term. Get the next step is tan alpha plus or minus plus or minus 2 into tan square alpha plus 1 sec square alpha upon 2. Separate the denominator, then 2 to get cancel. Okay, the next step is tan alpha plus or minus sec square alpha and root. Get root and square get cancel means sec alpha. Okay, tan alpha plus or minus sec alpha and here LHS part is y upon x. So the next step is therefore y equals to minus tan x plus or minus sec alpha. So the separate equation is therefore y equals to minus tan x plus tan alpha plus sec alpha. Here denominator x multiply this set into x and next equation is first equation is plus माइनस माइनस क्या अल्फा माइनस एक अल्फा into x. Okay, these are the two separate equations of these example. About one more example is possible. Similarly solve this way. Okay, question number 2 is complete. Okay. The next point is theorem. The combined equation of pair of lines passing through the origin is a homogeneous equation of degree 2 in x and y. So these are the xy axis, x dash, y dash origin. These two lines passing through the origin. First line is a1x plus b1y equal to 0 and second equation is a2x plus b2y equal to 0. Okay, in these theorems, let a1x b1y equal to 0 and second equation a2x plus b2y equal to 0 are passing through the origin. a1x b1y equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y equal to 0 are passing through the origin. Okay, in this form the combined equation is these are the two separate equations, these are the combined, means first equation a1x b1y into a2x b2y equals to 0. So the similar way a1x multiply by the second bracket and b1y multiply the second bracket. Okay, so therefore a1x multiply by a2x plus b2y and plus b1y again multiply by second bracket plus b1y multiply by a2x plus b2y equals to 0. So the a1x multiply the bracket each term. Okay, so the next step is a1 multiply a1 dot a2 and x into x square. Similarly a1 is multiplied by second term a1 b2 xy. Okay, plus b1y multiply the second bracket b1 a2 and x as it is and x multiplied by y. Okay, next b1y multiply the second term b1 b2 and y into y square equal to 0. Okay, so put here a1 dot a2 equals to a. Okay, next term is a1 b1 xy plus b1 into xy. Xy is common. Okay, xy is common in these two steps. So next step कैसे करेंगे? Plus a1 b2 plus b1 a2 into xy and first and last term as it is. Therefore a1 a2 x square plus b1 b2 y square equal to 0. So the a1 a2 equals to a. The second term a1 b2 plus b1 a2 equals to 2h and last one b1 b2 equals to value put here b. So the equation these three values put this equation. So term is a square plus a1 b2 plus b1 a2 means 2h square equal to 0. Therefore, these are the homogeneous equation. These are the homogeneous equation. Homogeneous equation. Okay. So these are the theorem and these are proofs of the theorems. So the two equations, two line equations passing through the origin, the combined equation is to multiply the two equations. The form is a1 into x square plus a1 b2 plus b1 a2 into xy plus b1 b2 y square equal to 0, and these term put here a 2x b, and this term put the above equation. Therefore, the equation is x square plus 2xy plus by square equal to 0. These are the homogeneous equation. Okay. सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांनी बघा एक्झरसाइज 4.1 मधील क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड जो आहे तो कंप्लीट करायचा आहे. आणि त्याचप्रमाणे हा जो थिअरम आहे तो बोर्डला आत्तापर्यंत विचारलेला नाही, पण त्या रिलेटेड आपल्याला एक्झाम्पल्स महत्त्वाचे आहेत. थिअरमचं स्टेटमेंट विथ प्रूफसहित नोटबुकमध्ये कंप्लीट करायचं आहे. ओके, थँक्यू.